Today, I'm going to show you a simple woodworking project that will sell all year round. Let's not waste any time and jump right on into the video. For this project, I'm going to be using a 4.5-inch wide piece of pallet wood. First, we'll cut off the nail marks on the end, and then we'll cut 2 pieces at 8.5 inches. Then we'll cut past the nail marks again, and then cut that second piece. Now we'll use the piece that we just cut off, and we'll cut 2 more pieces at 4 inches. All right, now I have this piece of pine. It measures in at 3/4 of an inch thick by 1.5 inches wide. I think this was cut off a pine 1x6, but I'm not totally sure. But we're gonna use this to make a 24-inch cut. All right, now we've cut out all the pieces. Now we're gonna grab one of the 8.5-inch pieces and we're gonna drill 2 holes in it. And for the holes, we're gonna be using a 2 3/4 inch hole saw bit. But now we gotta figure out where to drill those holes. We're gonna pull in 2.5 inches on each side, and then we'll center those 2 marks. So now we're gonna drill those 2 holes on those marks. An easy way to put your drill bit into your chuck is just set it next to it, snap, and then it'll go in. Nice. You can flip it over and then meet that guide bit where it was, and you can finish drilling that hole with no bust out. All right, now we can start assembling it. Now the first thing we're gonna do is mount our other 8.5-inch piece to our other 24-inch piece. Now we're gonna use 2 2.5-inch screws to screw it to this piece. So we're gonna pre-drill 2 holes. Now we're actually gonna screw a pilot hole in here too. And because I don't have a sink bit on hand, I'm gonna have to use a bigger drill bit and just drill into those holes just a little bit so the head of the screws are flush. All right, I have some 1-inch nails in here, and we'll take our 2 3.5-inch pieces and nail it to the sides. Then we'll take our piece that we nailed the stake to, and we'll put that on top. Now we actually got to bring this over to the bandsaw and make a cut. Now you can use your bandsaw and cut a sharp angle out of it to make a stake, and you can stick it into the ground. Don't worry about making that cut nice because it's gonna be in the ground. It just needs to be sharp enough to be stuck in the ground. Then finally, we can give it a massage. And what you just made is an outdoor solar cup holder. It fits 2 solar cups, just like that. And these are actually smaller solo cups than normal, but it'll fit the big ones just as well. Now you can customize these things however you want. I think this is the most simple design, and you can also put phone holders on the outside, which is awesome. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you'd like to see more just like this, go to my woodworking playlist, put that on the screen right here. Thank you for watching everybody. I'll see y'all next time.